Gamestore.lk. Dell XPS 139310 Core i7 to 1185 gram 7. The Dell XPS 139310 is an undeniably impressive laptop. Dell has whittled down the size of this 13.4-inch laptop. Dell added the option to configure the XPS 13 with an OLED display, organic light-emitting diode. That is the cherry on top of this premium little laptop. The display looks stellar and while. Dell 9310 i7 configurations that are Intel EVO certified. The EVO label means the system is tested to hit certain mobile performance requirements such as getting at least 9 hours of battery life with normal use, recharging quickly and being just as responsive on battery power as it is plugged in. 13.4-inch 3456 by 2160 OLED touch display. 3 GHz Intel Core i7-1185G7. 16 GB 4266 MHz LPDDR4X, onboard. 512 GB NVMe PCIe SSD. Intel Iris Z graphics. 100% of the enclosure is sculpted by a CNC, computer numerical control, machining process. A high-precision, machine-milled aluminum chassis creates an elegant design with high build quality that's stronger and stiffer than magnesium or plastic. The keyboard is surprisingly comfortable to work all day on, especially given how little room there is for key travel. Dell even integrated a fingerprint reader into the power button in the top right corner of the keyboard. Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, X2, 3.5mm audio jack, micro SD card slot. Dual fans separated to spread heat over a larger area and a single heat pipe designed with a single evaporator and dual condenser. To hidden exhaust venting through the hinge, thermal design ensures you have the best performing system in the thinnest form factor possible. Stay unplugged with long battery life. Experience incredibly long battery life. Up to 14 hours, 11 minutes * on a full HD Plus model when streaming your favorite shows, or up to 8 hours and 12 minutes * of streaming on a 4K Plus model.